Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Fuller, and for my Assistive Technology Marketplace 1 assignment, I have chosen a tool for information management called Cram Flashcards. Cram Flashcards was formerly known as Flashcard Exchange. The name of the tool I'll be using today is Cram Flashcards, formerly known as Flashcard Exchange. The publisher of Cram Flashcards is Cully Harrelson, who originally launched Flashcard Exchange in January 2001. This platform can be used on a web browser. Also, the tool can be downloaded on any iOS electronics and Android devices. When using iOS electronics, the tool requires iOS 8 or later. The intended purpose of the tool is to help people study and memorize sentences that may need to be remembered. The age group of this tool, Cram Flashcards, is 4+. It is free of cost to use this tool. My overall impression of the tool is that it is an excellent tool for people ages 4+. It is great that it can work in many different languages for people where English may not be their first language. Flashcards can be created in a number of languages, such as English, French, Spanish, German, Chinese, Polish, and Portuguese. In my opinion, I believe this tool could be very useful for students in an educational setting who have an assignment or possibly a speech that they may need to present in which they need to have it memorized. If I was ever asked by someone if I would recommend the tool Cram Flashcards, I would definitely say yes. I feel it is a helpful tool that I wish I would have known about a long time ago when I was in elementary school or even secondary school. I personally don't feel as if there are any minuses of the tool Cram Flashcards. I believe that there are only positives about this tool. Some of the positives that I feel this tool has is that it is free, easy to understand, and can be used in multiple different languages. Let's try this tool out. I'm using a web browser, but like I mentioned earlier, you can use any iOS device or Android device. So we're going to go to a new tab. You can go to www.google.ca. We're going to type in Cram Flashcards. And it will be the first link that pops up, www.cram.com. So you can also go there, www.cram.com. So we're going to click on the link. You're going to have to sign in, so make an account. So we're going to go up to sign in. And you can either sign in with Facebook, sign in with Twitter, sign in with Google, or just make a username yourself. So we'll sign in with Google. So I have a Google account. So there we are. We're just signing in with Google now. It's going to load. And now we're in Cram Flashcards. So we'll go to Create Flashcard. And we'll set a title, Animal Sounds. Description is optional. Subjects are optional, so we'll leave those blank for now. So we'll scroll down, and you have a front and a back to your cards. So we'll put a dog for the front, and on the back, we'll say what the dog does, so barks. The second card, put a cat, and on the back, we'll put meows. Go down and make another card, a cow, on the front, on the back, moose. So you could see, you could add more cards to the cards that you already have, but for now we'll just keep 3 cards. And now we will create the set. So click create. We'll scroll down. As you can see, there's our cards. So we have memorize. Click on memorize. So you can memorize your cards. Also go to the test. And you got multiple ways that you can make tests. So this way is matching. So you choose the letter, which would be a cat, or a column A would be meow, so that would be a cat, so which would be letter B matches with B. Moose, so choose a letter, we're going to say matches with A with a cow. And barks, you're going to choose a letter, and that's C. Let's scroll down and we can get the answers. As you see, we had 100%. So there's other ways that you can do written, multiple choice, true and false. So we could show another way. Let's say true and false, just to give you guys an idea. So we'll go with true and false, make a new test. As you can see, there's true and false questions now. So moose, a cow moose, is that true or false? So we're going to say it's true. Barks, a cat barks. I don't think a cat barks, so we're going to say false. A cat meows. Yes, we think a cat meows. So there you are. We can get the answers again. So once we finish getting our answers, it'll give you 100%. And that's basically all about Cram Flashcards. Thank you for watching my video.